Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Open app permissions and enable microphone and storage for WhatsApp. Once done, close other apps that might hold the mic and restart your phone to clear locks. Make sure to test the microphone quickly in the built-in voice memos or camera app to verify hardware works. If that test fails, address the device mic first. If it succeeds, return here and proceed to app-level fixes, because the problem is likely software-related rather than a faulty microphone. Now you dig into app-level solutions. Clear WhatsApp cache and system settings to remove corrupt temporary files. Do not delete chats while clearing cache. Next, check for an app update, and if nothing changes, reinstall WhatsApp to reset internal settings. Backup chats first. Also inspect battery saver, privacy, or antivirus apps that may restrict microphone access. Temporarily disable them and test recording again. Make sure to grant permissions again after reinstalling, because reinstall can reset those toggles. Finish with advanced checks and a key troubleshooting tip. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular. Network issues can affect voice note uploads and may seem like recording failure. Try recording with wired or Bluetooth headphones that have a mic to isolate the device microphone. If problems persist, update your phone OS because system bugs sometimes break microphone handling. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset. If you encounter failures after each step, report exact error behavior for targeted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.